Hello dear English learners. Are you ready to commence an exciting journey of learning English? So today you are in luck because in this video I'm going to share with you the ultimate beginner's guide to mastering English. So if you are interested, if you want to learn this language, if you want to communicate with others by using this language, then watch this video till the very end. Step 1. Build your vocabulary. Learn this language by building a strong foundation of vocabulary because this is the ultimate tool which is going to help you for making more effective sentences to communicate with others. Flashcards are a fantastic tool which will help you to memorize new words. Make it fun by associating each word with a vivid image. For example, imagine for the first time I'm learning this new word, wood. And I don't know how would look like, but I'm learning it from a book or somewhere else. So if I see a vivid image of wood, then it would be easier for my brain to memorize that vocabulary quickly. And wood is just behind me. So this is how you are going to learn vocabulary. So try to think of an image regarding your vocabulary when you are learning it. Step 2. Listen and repeat. People often say that listening is a fine art. Just believe me, when you will be starting listening to the native speakers, you will get their sound, you will get their pronunciation, you will get the sentence structures. When you start listening from the native speakers, you just literally learn from them. You learn from them grammar, you learn from them pronunciation, sentence structures, you learn from them different vocabularies, expressions like how they express themselves. So this is how listening works. Now you might have a question that how can I continue my listening process? Well, there are some ways how you can continue your listening process. For example, first start watching animation movies, listen to English news, or also even you can listen to the English podcast, which will literally help you to develop your listening power. What do you need to do? Just sit and listen from them and just try to repeat after them to improve your pronunciation and rhythm. By listening to the native speakers, you will be able to take help from them in terms of your grammar, your pronunciation mostly, and also some other parts. So this listening will literally help you to improve your English level. Step 3. Practice pronunciation. Pronunciation is a very important thing when you are learning a language. And pronunciation is crucial for effective communication. Practice each sound, how native people are moving their mouth, how they are pronouncing the words, how they are trying to express themselves. Also, pay attention to the body movements, like how they are expressing themselves by moving their hands to make people understand. So this kind of things you need to learn from them. When you are practicing pronunciation, try to ensure that you have a mirror or you have your smartphone's camera to ensure the accuracy. Like you need to make video that how you are pronouncing things, how you are practicing. So this mirror and camera will help you ensuring the accuracy of your pronunciation. Step 4. Engage yourself in conversations. Conversation makes a man perfect in terms of learning a language. When you are learning English and that is not your native language, it's a foreign one, and for that reason you need to struggle to get the sound, to get the pronunciation, to get how they are making sentences, etc. You need to make conversation with others. When you are learning a language and that is like English, which is not your native language, like for me, it's not my native language. When you are learning a foreign language, it is little perplexing to everyone. So for that reason, try to engage yourself in conversations. And by making conversations, you'll get to know where you are making mistakes. Maybe in grammar or in pronunciation, or maybe you don't have sufficient vocabulary to communicate with others. This conversation will show you that what the level you have. Practice English as often as you can. Try to engage yourself in conversations and join language exchange platforms where people try to practice with each other. And also you can talk to yourself, as I have mentioned, by taking help from your smartphone or a mirror. This kind of initiative will make you more efficient in terms of learning this language. One thing I believe, the more you practice, the more confident you will become. Remember, learning a language like English opens doors to new opportunities, friendships, and a world of possibilities. Step 5. Utilize language learning platforms. Can you hear that sound? Birds are chirping. Anyway, so we are talking about the language learning platforms. It really helps us, and language learning platforms will provide you friends, hundred thousands of people to practice with you every day. So just try to be consistent in terms of the practice, and try to use the online language learning platforms. There are different types of websites are available where you can practice this language. So don't be afraid to take the first step for learning English, because this language will let you discover the whole world. You will be able to know the unknown by learning this language and by communicating with a group of beautiful people. That's it for today's beginner's guide for learning English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends on social media or somewhere else. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more language learning tips. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram as English with Shajal. Happy learning. See you in the next video.